Action!
Okay, he's not here.
Surprise! Mom! Jane! Oh. Dad! Oh shoot! Did I miss the surprise? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Honey! You didn't tell me you were flying back early. I wanted to surprise you. Yeah. Oh, she's surprised. Zach! Zachary, cut it out. It's your sister's birthday. Thanks, Dad. Oh. Bradford. Rebecca said you were working late. I was. I was at work. Jane called me. Cause she needed help. And I helped her. I helped her with the groceries. Yeah. Yeah, I helped her. Yeah. Well, I am glad you came. So, where's the groceries? Cake. Is there cake? Who wants cake? I don't know about you guys, but I would sure love some cake. I would love some cake.
Yes!
That's good.